Now we've come to the part where we're going to create a custom text code call to action as part of our lead generation efforts via the KV Core platform. First, we need to find our listing MLS ID, and it might be a good idea to have some listing details in front of us as well, because that's where we're going to find a link of which will lead us to the listing on our own domain where we want to send people. So I'm just going to go ahead and pretend this listing of 78 Parkway is mine on my example for my dashboard here. And of course, if you're going to advertise a listing, make sure it's your own or you've worked it out within your brokerage so that you can share each other's listings. Now, first thing I'm going to need here is this MLS ID. So you can either copy and paste it or write it down. And now I'm actually going to open up my lead engine while I'm keeping this tab open. So I'm going to right click on my lead engine and open the link in a new tab. Therefore, I can have both my listings tab open for 78 Parkway and my lead engine. So I'm going to go ahead and right click, open link on new tab. And now I have the lead engine open and my property information. Next, I'm going to click within call capture. This is where you're going to find information about your smart number and different ways of which you can utilize it. So you click get started. Now on the right-hand side here, we have the custom text codes. And in essence, you're telling the lead, hey lead, if you text this code of which you're going to create to my smart number, which is either going to be the brokerage smart number or maybe you've purchased your own, and in return, I am going to send you this information. So they need to opt in to receive it by texting the code to your number. Now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and click Add New. And this is where I can drop in the custom code information. So if we look at this property, it's off Parkway Road, so I might just want to call the code Parkway. Parkway listing, Parkway, what have you. It just depends on if you want to use a code that you can look at and immediately recognize and know what it belongs to. Now from here, we can actually paste in our MLS ID link and then choose the smart number of which we want this to be connected. And what will happen is when the contact texts Parkway to the smart number, the system will then recognize this is an MLS ID and immediately send a link to the property to that contact, and their phone number will land on your dashboard. You can also put in a message or link. So as we look back to the listing, we have this little direct link here. And when we click on this, it actually opens up our website to look at the property. So this is what it's going to be sending to the contact. Now on this page, we can actually copy this link, and we could probably take it to Bitly to shorten it up a little more or just use it how it is. But the main point here is we're going to go into our custom text code and write out a response. So you'd be like, thanks for responding. Here are the details. Are you looking to move soon? And then you just paste in your link, click add. And when I click add, this right side is going to update and land our latest text code at the bottom. I hope you have a great day.